I don't think merong something dito. Yeah, I think this is the last. Hindi na siya mystery kasi hey guys, what's up? It's Renee and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we'll be unboxing a lot of LAZADA Mystery Box. You know, during the mid-year bounce back sale, I purchased a crap ton of LAZADA mystery boxes. So, I got 7. So, I guess let's start. So, well, magaan tayo. I don't think there's a phone in here. So, naririnig nyo ba yung kulog? Sorry, kumukulog. So, ayun. Let's first start sa nabuksan ko na and hindi na siya mystery kasi dito niya nilagay. So, I thought it's one of my regular orders, no? Alright, so this is from the shop, The Healthy Selection. This mystery bag, kasi nasa bag siya. I got this for 489 pesos. I want a phone. Well, this is a parang regular phone. Brand to? I'm sure. Anyway, this is the E1205 Keystone 2. So, basically, it's a basic phone. So, usually, mga ganito is nasa 500. So, I guess, nabawi ko kagad yung 500 pesos ko. So, ayan, legit siya. Hindi siya sardina. So, ayan. Ay! Oh, Samsung! Oh, Samsung, may charger din siya. And, yung battery. So, ayan. Lagay natin yung battery. Tignan natin kung legit ba tong cellphone na to or you know. Kasi hindi siya sealed nung dumating sa akin. What? Alam nyo, yung nakakatuwa, kasi meron siyang camera. Nakakatuwa kasi mga gantong phone, may camera na siya. So, ayan, let's open her up. Welcome. So far, so good. Oh! So, Samsung ba talaga to? Walang games. Bakit wala tong games? Wala siyang games. Anyway, so ayan, I have my backup phone na. So far, so good for the first mystery box. And then, we'll proceed. Saan ba? Ito. Kasi magaan siya. I don't think merong something dito. So, proceed muna tayo dito sa boxes na to. And then, wait, bubuksan ko lang siya isa-isa. And then, of course, hindi tayo sisilip. Diba? Na-receive ko tong mga box na to last Wednesday or Tuesday. And it's Saturday today. So, alam mo yun, sobrang natatempt na ako na buksan sila. Pero of course, sabi ko, sige, I'll wait for the video. So, itong mga to, sobrang gaan niya. So, I don't think there's a phone in here. Pero we'll see. Ayan, first box, sobrang gaan. I'll try not to peek. Parang bubuksan ko lang yung outer box. Sana wala namang buhay na ipis dito or something. Ang saya magbukas ng mga mystery box kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung nasa loob niya. I mean, I think that's the joy of opening mystery boxes. Dun sa 4 na boxes, I bought it from Abot Kaya Rito online shop. I bought it for 179 each. So, I think ganito na lang para hindi ko makita, no? Ganyan. Para, no? Okay, so first item. Drum roll, please. Portable gamepad. I'm not sure what's this supposed to. Oh, I don't think I can use this, so I think I'm gonna give it to my sister, you know? Grabe, 2 items lang yata. Next in the box is Samsung charger. Uy, akala ko naman Type-C. So, ayan, we have 2-in-1 charger, Samsung. So, hindi ko sure kung ay, ubos na siya! Oh my gosh! Oh my god, yun na yun. 2 lang siya. Grabe naman to sis, nakaka-disappoint ha. Alam mo, in-expect ko, Okay, sige. Hindi ko sure kung legit Samsung charger to, pero ayan. I think this is micro USB, so ayun, more micro USB for us. We'll proceed with the next box. First item is I think phone holder to. Magic suction cup. Okay, so try natin pag ito fail. Okay naman. Nahawakan naman yung phone ko, which is good. Ayan. So, ayan. More phone holder for me. Next item is tripod. Oh, selfie stick. Okay, I don't think I need selfie stick, so I think I will give this away for my future giveaway. So, ayan. The next item is I think this is the last one. Oh! Earphones. Okay, I'm not sure if the Samsung products na nakukuha ko is legit. So, everyone, let me know in the comment section down below. Pero, itong AKG na to, naalala ko, ito yung parang earphones na kasama nung Samsung ko. Pero, nasira ko yung akin. So, it's nice having this in the box. Kasi, talagang gustong-gusto ko tong earphones na to. That's the second box. Then, moving on with the third box. Sana wag phone holder. I think earphones na naman ito. OMG, phone standard na naman. Okay, so ayan, we have folding stands. Well, ang meron ako is black. Ayan, meron akong black, pero ayun. No color. Black din, so ayun. I'll just give this to someone else, like, for my future giveaway and stuff. And then, next item is... Feeling ko ito na naman yung Feeling ko ito na naman yung game something. Oh! Oh! Okay, so ito na pala yung last. Okay, at least hindi pare-pareho yung natatanggap ko, di ba? Anyway, this is the portable fan. Oh my God. Oh my God. Kailangan na kailangan natin to kasi sobrang init dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, so I think I'll keep this one. Tignan natin kung gumagana. Rechargeable ba to? Yep, I think it's rechargeable. So, tignan natin kung gumagana. On. Ay, yung baho niya, sis. What? Parang sunog. Ito baho niya. More fun for me here. Yan. That's it for the third box. Now, onto our last box na 179 pesos. I think the original price is 199, pero ako I got it for 179 dahil sa Lazada sale. Selfie stick ba to? Huwag naman sana. Oh my God! Selfie stick na naman! Can you see my disappointment here? Selfie stick. Kakasabi ko lang na buti walang kaparehang nakukuha. Pero ito, nakakuha ko ng selfie stick ulit. And then next is... I think this is the last one. So, selfie stick ulit. Power bank. Okay, we have power bank, high speed. Okay, no memory effect. Okay, so ang liit lang niya, cute. So, this is handy. This is 5.8 mAh. So, I think isang chargean lang siya. Pero it's not that bad, diba? Like, dali mo lang sa bag mo kasi sobrang liit and then you're good to go. That's it for our 4 boxes of 179 pesos. For our last box, we have this 2 box to. Hindi ko alam bakit isang box lang. Tinamad yata mag-pack. Anyway, I got it from Andres Bonifacio. 2 boxes for 448 and 450. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit magkaiba. And, nasa isang box lang siya, which is sad kasi hindi ako nag-open ng box. Pero ayun, let's open her up. First thing in the box is ito. Ito, nakakapako na siya. Oh! Okay. So, sa loob ng box, merong plastic. So, I think pinagsama nila sa isang box. First plastic. Okay, relo. Then, this one. Selfie stick ulit. So, ayan, meron tayong tatlong selfie stick, kakatuwa. Ayan, so, again, I'll be giving it away. Grip holder. Yeah. I think para sa cellphone to. So, ayun. Hindi ako fan ng ganito. So, I think I'll give it to my sister. And then, oh. Earphone. So, this is the iPhone ES 350. So, I think this is fake. So, ayan. We have this one. Okay. Another folding stand. Okay. Ano ba? So, this one, it's white naman. Ay, gray pala. I think, ayan. This is gray. So, since meron na ako, I'll give it away. Dami kong pag-giveaway. And then, last, we have this, I think, card. Oh. Last is this Vivo quick charger. So, ayan. Quick charger. Then, last is, I think I know what this is. Yeah. This is the cable protector. Ayan. So, I think, not sure kung nabawi ko yung 500 pesos ko doon. But, oh well. Ayan. Next is this one. I think this is a power bank. Feel ko power bank siya. Well, wait. Ito muna. Oh! May naman ba to? Hindi ko oh, okay. So, ano to? Tempered glass ba to? Oh, yeah. It's a tempered glass. Pero, paano mo malalaman kung ano yung tempered glass mo? So, universal. Okay, so universal daw siya. So, ito mo last. I think this is a power bank base sa shape. Okay, yeah. It's a power bank. So, it's Roma Sense 4. So, not bad. Medyo mahal din to. This is 10,400 mAh. So, oh, ayos ah. Tada! Yan. It's very sleek. Cute. Gumagana ba siya? Yes, it is. Okay, I think that's it for this video. So, ang favorite kong product na nakuha is this one, yung power bank, yung electric fan, and then, yung cellphone, of course, yung cellphone, and itong earphones. I'm not sure if this is authentic, pero, well, ito, gusto ko siya. Kasi it reminded me of the first earphone ng S8 ko. Yun lang. Medyo paulit-ulit lang yung products, pero well, it's a mystery box, okay. Oh my God, I'm done. I guess that's it. Leave me a comment down below if naka-experience ka na rin ba ng mystery unboxing. What do you think of it? Nanalo ka na ba ever? Let me know your thoughts about it. I would love to know. Do you think worth the hype yung mga gato sa Lazada or whatever? Give this video a like kung nagustuhan mo tong unboxing video ko. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification beside it for notifications if I upload again. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye!